Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to alazaesbeauty. Now today I just wanted to do a quick little video showing you guys a couple mud masks that I like and exfoliators. Since we're in this together, let's do a little something with exfoliators. I'm gonna give you guys a couple ideas of stuff that I like that you could use, and I do have sensitive skin. So far so good. So first off, let's go with the Exuviance one, which is this one. This is the Exuviance Bionic Oxygen Facial. I love this stuff. This stuff, basically, you'll put it on your skin. Meanwhile, it's a little bit wet, not obviously over wet. You'll put a little bit. You're going to let it sit for a good probably 5-10 minutes or 15 at the most. You're going to see like white little particles like on your skin. Don't be alarmed. It's completely normal, but I definitely love this stuff. I need to buy a big one. This one's actually one of the samples that I got, but I love this stuff. I love this stuff. All right, next one is the Exuviance. This is a detox mud treatment. So anything that is a mud mask for me, I definitely love, just because I have oily skin and in my pores, anything I can help with my pores, I'm all for it. So basically, same concept. You'll leave this one on, and then you're gonna let it dry for a good 15-20 minutes, depending on how long it's gonna take to dry, and then just rinse it off. Pretty much love this stuff. Next one, this is the Pure. It is a glitter gold. Now this is a peel off mask. One thing I definitely recommend, be very careful. Do not put it by your eyebrows. I mean, I know that's common sense, but I accidentally had a little bit on my eyebrow, and believe me, that gave me a wax on my eyebrows. So be very, very careful, but definitely love this stuff. At least your skin's so soft, you can't go wrong. Love this stuff. All right. Another one that I love that's really good, and this is one of my faves. I know it's a little pricey, but I love this stuff. It is the Somerville. This one exfoliates your skin, takes away the dead cells. You'll feel like a little minty feeling, like when you apply this one on. And it does have like a little green, like it looks a little weird, but believe me, this baby does a job. Love this stuff. So definitely give that one a shot. Love this. All right, another one that I definitely love, obviously, is gonna be my Clinique. I can never go wrong with Clinique. There's the exfoliating scrub. There is two that they have. There is exfoliating scrub and there's a 7-day scrub. This one I personally love because it has bigger beads in it. And I only use this one maybe twice a week or 3 times at the most. Now remember, if you have dry skin, I will only do it once a week. If you're oily, then you could do maybe 2 or 3 times depending on how much your skin can handle it. But this one I love. Deep cleans, unclogs, the whole works. Love this. And this is another of my favorite. This will be like the mud mask right here. Even my daughter loves this one. This is one of her favorites too. This one basically is going to be a mud mask. You're going to apply it, let it dry, and then it has like little scrubbies inside. So it's cool when you're washing it off. It's also exfoliating at the same time. So it's like 2-in-1, which is really cool. Definitely recommend. And these are very affordable, so you can't go wrong. So these are my to-go. Look at these. Love this. I hope there's one that you guys enjoy. If you guys have a mud mask or just a mask alone or face scrubbers that you guys really, really love, please let me know in the comments below. Just want to show you guys a couple of the good things I have. All right. So don't forget, you're beautiful no matter what. Bye-bye.